going to start right through here. It's kind of the area I mentioned before where you're holding a lot of tension, okay? You got a little restriction right through there. So I'm going to take a nice deep breath in and let it all out. Good. You can feel a push. Boom. Feel okay? Perfect. Perfect. Little one right here as well. Same thing. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good. There we go. You okay? Great job. Slide down towards your feet with that. I'm going to bring your head across right here, but that's to kind of block off the neck. So the adjustment's going to be right through here with this hand, okay? And relax there. There we go. One here. Good. Okay. Straight that one. Bend this one up just like this. Swing this around here. Gotcha. Great job. Lock it in here. Roll you in towards me. Boom. I feel all right? All right, great. Let's get you on the other side. Careful. Yes, please. There. All right, I'm gonna roll you in again just like this. On this side, you're gonna feel a little bit of a push back right here.
I felt that so you moved.
Yeah, that was great, wasn't it? All right, go ahead and let me help you out.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. All right, go ahead and turn, swing the this up, this out. Bring it all the way down. Okay. All right, neck is always kind of one that sometimes people get a little scared about just because it's loud right next to the ears. I don't do any rotational adjustments because I think that's just a little much, especially if you've already been through whiplash, okay? So, just tilt your head like this. Good, I'm gonna kind of, and this is gonna be my adjustment right through there. Good. Boom. Awesome. That motion came back right away. Got another one on this side, a little bit lower here. Good.
Ooh.
Not bad, not bad at all. Great job.